Wow. Punch, punch, punch. Well, I wasn't ready for that. So, that first few seconds was just nothing to you. So, well, here's the thing. I don't know how to sing this one. So, no. What about, no. 1 second. How about I bring something back from Rihanna? Unfaithful. I know not many people try to sing this, but like she hasn't. This was one of her older songs. I'm not saying it's her oldest song, I'm just saying it's one of her oldest songs. So, I'll try to sing the whole thing. Okay. Here it goes. Story of my life, searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, 'cause it seems so wrong, really loves my company. And he's more than a man, and this is more than love, the reason that the sky is blue. The clouds are rolling in, 'cause I'm gone again. To him I know I just can't be true. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I am happy with some other guy. I can see him dying. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna take away his life. I don't wanna be a murderer. I feel it in the air, something in my hair, preparing for another day. A kiss upon the cheek, a skin to late, something like that. To him I know I just can't be true. And I know that he... Okay, I've sung that part, so... Well, that's really all I know of this song. So, the next video, don't be shocked if I don't know all the words. Thank you.